welcome back one more time to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I'm making a strawberry pink pound cake that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have table salt, baking powder, eggs, strawberry extract, powdered sugar for decoration, 3 sticks of unsalted butter, 3 cups of regular granulated sugar, 1 cup of regular milk, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I have my bundt container. I am ready to start with this recipe. So let's get started. I am ready. I'm going to start with my butter, and I am going to cream it completely. Remember to take it out of the refrigerator at least 1 hour before you start baking. We're gonna cream, and I'll show you how it looks when it's very creamy and when we are ready to add the sugar. It has been mixing for about 3 minutes. I am ready to add my sugar slowly until both are completely combined. It's gonna mix for about 1 minute. We have to make sure that we clean our bowl to make sure that everything is going to be combined completely. Just make sure that you clean your bowl, all the sides of your bowl. And we're gonna continue mixing for about 1 more minute. To start with my all-purpose flour, we're gonna sift it. We're gonna add our table salt. We're going to add our baking powder. And we're just going to sift, just to make sure that we have no lumps of all-purpose flour or everything is well sifted. I am going to separate the egg whites and the yolk. We're going to put the yolk in one bowl and the egg white in another bowl. Okay, I am ready to add my egg yolks to my mixture. And we're just going to do it slowly until it has incorporated completely and it is very frothy. We're gonna mix for about 3 whole minutes. I'll show you how it looks. Okay, we are going to start adding our egg one by one. When they have incorporated completely, that's when we're gonna start adding our all-purpose flour. We're gonna lower the speed, medium, and then we're gonna add 1 cup, 1 tablespoon of flour. And then we're gonna add a little bit of milk. we're gonna put the rest. We're going to add the rest of the milk. And we're going to add our strawberry extract. And then we're just gonna whip for at least 1 more minute, high speed. Make sure that you clean the sides to make sure that we incorporate everything on all the batter. Okay, this is done. We are going to start preparing our baking dish. We need to make sure that we grease it very well. I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour to coat all the edges. And this is how I love to do it, to make sure that everything is coated. My cake doesn't stick. We are ready. I have preheated my oven to 325 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for about 1 hour and 5 minutes. And I'll take it to the oven for 325 for 1 hour and 5 minutes. Do not open the oven door. Leave it there. It will cook perfectly. So I'll see you in 1 hour and 5 minutes. 1 hour and 5 minutes have passed. I'm taking out my pound cake. I'm going to let it rest for 30 minutes before I take it out of my baking dish. So I'll see you in 30 minutes. I am ready to take out my pound cake. Let's see how it came out. So beautiful. Look at this. This is so beautiful. I am ready to cut and get a piece. So I'll see you in a little bit. I want to show you from close up how beautiful this pound cake looks. I'm done, my friends, with this pound cake. Look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. But this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. Let's see. Look how beautiful this looks. Let's see how it tastes. Nice and fluffy. Excuse me. The strawberry flavor, perfect. Very moist. You put it in your mouth and it melts away. This is fabulous. This is delicious. Excuse me. I wish you were here to enjoy with me this delicious pound cake. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so whenever I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Bye-bye.